tataas na naman tayo ulit. Kasi close pa lahat. Close pa. Close. Yes, mall ngayon. Ayan. Ang outfit ni Inday pag off day. Ganito. Wala pang masyadong katao-tao ba? Kasi nga, ano pa, maaga pa dito sa mall. Hindi pa bukas. Ayan. Bibilhin lang tayo doon sa Baguio Dollar. Tataas ako doon sa Baguio Dollar, guys. Nagutom na ako ng ng pang lunch. Tingnan ko kung bukas na yung food court at doon tayo, pagkain tayo doon sa food court. Ayan. Tingnan nyo itong daanan ko, oh. Ay, ayaw niya magpaharap. Ayan, taas na tayo. Punta tayo sa food court. Guys. Ay, nako. Kaya papasok dyan. Ano sila, oh. Nag-sale. Tingin nga tayo kung bago, oh. Nag-sale sila. Ito yung masarap, oh. Daming chocolate. Ano, diba? Sorry. Sa Baguio Dollar. Bili tayo ng chichiri. Kasi ito yung paborito ko ba. Meron na silang kilo ano dito. Masarap din ito. Kilo. Bili tayo, guys. Bili tayo ng kilos. Ay, chito. Ito yung paborito ko, chito. Malawak na siya, malinis. Walang pang ano ng buko. Yan, guys. Ayan. Yung lotion sana gusto ko na ano, wala. Libutin natin muna ito. Mga ano, yung Baguio Dollar dito sa Singapore. Baguio Dollars. Ganda, no? Dami. Pag mag-box kayo, oh. Mga tissue na pala dyan. Mga basahan. Nakita na naman ako ng mas. $1 daw. Adult size. Sabagay maganda rin yung black na color. Nag-video ako. Magkano? $1 mo. Daming style kasi ng ano ngayon, ng mask. Kaya bili tayo. Saka drinks. Bili na ako dito pala ng drinks. Ito, yung lemon. Bili tayo ng lemon. Lemon honey. Sabi ko ayoko mag-bit-bit pero napabili.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring. How you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed?
Ayun na. Pabili na tayo na. Punta na tayo kakain ng lunch. Lunch time. Lunch time na ba? Ay, breakfast pa na. Mag-breakfast pa. Mura lang yung nabili ko. Free lang pala. Yung mga ibang shop di pa bukas kasi maaga pa. Ganda ng mga bag dito guys. Ito yung gusto kong bilhin. Yan ang gusto ko. Close pa sila kasi. Ayan. Nandito sa Singapore kung gusto nyo manood ng sine doon. Close pa sila guys. Kasi wala pang aga pa. Kasi siguro doon sa ano, close pa kaya sila doon sa storage. Ayan.